Today's NYCOS song is a song called Tony Chestnut. This is a really good fun action song. I'll show you how the song works and then we'll go through some of the actions afterwards. For this song, for the current time, when we do any actions that go near our face, we'll just imitate touching the face, but we won't actually touch, but we'll just imitate it. The song goes like this. Tony Chestnut knows I love him. Tony knows, Tony knows, Tony Chestnut knows I love him. That's what Tony knows. So the actions for this song follow the parts of our body to which the song refers. We start with our toes, our knees, our chest, and because this is hard like a nut, nose, eyes, and love him. So we'll show you it one more time, a little bit slower. Tony Chestnut knows I love him. Tony knows, Tony knows, Tony Chestnut knows I love him. That's what Tony knows. Once you think you know the song really well, you can start to miss out certain words in the song and sing those words in your head. So this time we'll sing the whole song, but anytime we touch our toes, we'll say the word toe in our thinking voice, like this. Nee Chestnut knows I love him. Nee knows, nee knows, nee Chestnut knows I love him. That's what Nee knows. And this time we'll miss out the word toe, but we'll also miss out the word knee. Chestnut knows I love him. Knows, knows. Chestnut knows I love him. That's what knows. You can have some fun with that song, missing out whichever words you like, and eventually put all the words in your thinking voice. But sing the words, that's what. That's what. Have fun with that one and we hope to see you again tomorrow.